Welcome! Today, we're diving into a topic that can spark excitement and innovation in anyone: how to generate the most creative ideas, even if you don't consider yourself a naturally creative person. Creativity isn't just for artists or writers. It's a skill that can be developed by anyone, and I'm here to guide you through some effective strategies. First, let's embrace the idea that creativity thrives in a supportive environment. Surround yourself with diverse perspectives. Engage with people from different backgrounds, industries, and experiences. This exchange of ideas can ignite your imagination and lead to unexpected connections. Remember, every conversation is an opportunity to learn something new. Next, don't shy away from brainstorming. Set aside time to jot down any and all ideas that come to mind, no matter how outlandish they may seem. The key here is quantity over quality. Allow your thoughts to flow freely without judgment. You might be surprised at the gems that emerge when you give yourself permission to think outside the box. Another powerful technique is to change your surroundings. Sometimes, a simple shift in your environment can stimulate your mind. Try working in a park, a cafe, or even a different room in your home. New sights and sounds can inspire fresh ideas and perspectives. Incorporating play into your routine can also unlock your creative potential. Engage in activities that bring you joy, whether it's doodling, playing a game, or exploring a new hobby. Playfulness encourages experimentation and can lead to innovative thinking. Don't forget the power of reflection. Take time to review your past experiences and the challenges you've faced. What lessons did you learn? How did you overcome obstacles? Reflecting on your journey can provide valuable insights and inspire new ideas for the future. Lastly, be patient with yourself. Creativity is a process, and it often requires time and practice. Celebrate small victories along the way, and don't be discouraged by setbacks. Each step you take is a building block toward greater creativity. First, let's talk about the power of curiosity. Embrace your inner explorer. Ask questions about the world around you. Why does something work the way it does? How can it be improved? This inquisitive mindset can lead to fresh ideas and innovative solutions. Remember, every great invention started with a simple question. Thank you for joining me today. I hope these tips inspire you to tap into your creative potential. Remember, creativity is within everyone's reach, and with a little practice, you can generate amazing ideas. If you found this helpful, consider following or subscribing for more insights and inspiration. Keep exploring and let your creativity shine.